Hello, in this quick demo I would like to show you a new feature of AltTV network. If you use extensively some network hardware, I think that you probably found yourself in a situation when you want to make a TCP dump of some interface on your device, and this is something which is quite inconvenient to do, specifically on cloud-controlled hardware. And because I wanted this feature for a long time, I decided to implement this into the AltTV. This is a AltTV's cloud dashboard of one of our test networks, and there is access point which is right now live, as you can see, is connected each 10 seconds. So if I click into the device, I can obviously change some parameters like radio settings and so on. But the most important thing, which is with firmware from 0.0.65, is the debug button, and if you click the debug button, you can easily dump some interface. If you just click the TCP, get the TCP dump, you will receive a TCP dump of the one interface of the wireless bridge. Sorry, of the one port of the bridge which is connected to your network. But you can easily override any interface you want. So if I choose, for example, Ethernet 0, which is physical interface, which should contain even the information about, for example, the VLANs or so, you just write it here. I expect that this will get a better interface probably with some menu, but right now I think it will work. If you click the Get TCP Dump, you will have to wait for dump to start. Right now the access point ingested the command, and what I will do now, I will connect my mobile phone here just to perform some debugging. So I connect to the AltTV network. I'm connected, and right now I, for example, run some random YouTube video or something like this. This might take some time. The thing is designed to capture up to 1 minute of data. And the other thing is that due to very limited resources on the access points, the dump can be only 5 megs big. So it may take a shorter time, as you can see. So right now I received some 3.9 megabytes of data, and if you click the dump, you can easily download the pickup file and analyze in your favorite packet analyzer, which actually means that you will use it with Wireshark probably. So if you look into the data, you have the whole dump in Wireshark. For example, if I look into the bootp, I mean DHCP, there should be a DHCP request and accept from the device. So I can see that the machine received 11.101 IP address, for example. I can see that it is connected to VLAN 11, which corresponds to my numbering scheme here. So you can do pretty much everything. You know, this is not a part of the software, of course. This is a great Wireshark. Thank God for it. So again, if you want to use it, first you need to upgrade your firmware to at least 0.0.65. I recommend 6. I think 6.8 would be your last firmware, which has fixed some bugs. But this is something I think you really want to have. So just upgrade, and from now on you can make the dumps of any of the interfaces you like on your access point. So if I get another dump, I can, for example, use another interface. This is the interface which is for internet-only networks. So I can start dump and do some other stuff. First, probably I should connect to the proper network. I'm here. Again, I can use random YouTube video. That is probably the best thing to fill up the buffer. So that's it. I believe that you like it. If you want to help us with the beta testing, just subscribe, sign up to beta.altivi.com, and use your own hardware from OpenMesh to start. Thank you. Goodbye.